Hey, what's going on, everybody? EXO coming at you here, a whole year older, 29 years old today. Oh my god, I can't even believe how fast time is going by. I still feel like I'm fresh out of high school up here, but in real life, I'm almost a 30-year-old. What the hell? I had a great, awesome birthday weekend with my girlfriend, went to Greensboro, saw like a variety show. And speaking of awesome things, the reason why I'm making this video, I was so excited. The second I got home, something was sitting on my doorstep that just blew me away. I'm always those people who like, I see things that are happening and I miss out on such great opportunities because I'm always late to the kick. I actually saw a post on Facebook and I saw it in time to actually reap the benefits. This kid posted on some great Facebook group on, I don't know what the hell it was, like some base Facebook group about wire, about 250 feet of wire. Now I was like, this is too good to be true. Like 250 feet of OFC, that shit's gotta be like buku bucks. But the post said it was 22. I was like, no, that's not it. So I went investigating, saw that the shipping weight was 4 pounds. So I was like, that's CCA bullshit. I'm not even gonna bother doing it. Luckily, I turned on the notifications for that post because some other guy chimed in with a picture of a scale with the wire sitting on top of it. And it was like, oh my God, 18 pounds, I'm gonna freaking buy it, 250 feet. So I did. And where the hell is it? It's right here, guys. Sitting right down there. I can't get too close because it has my address on it. But I literally got 500 feet of 8-gauge wire for like 44 bucks. Totally blown away. It's monster cable. I was like, holy crap, it's real. I was like jumping up and down, telling Elise like, Elise, this was real. It's not a fluke. I just got 500 feet of damn 8-gauge for 44 bucks. Tinned copper OFC pure copper runs. Monster Performance 300 series, 8-gauge, 250 feet for $22. You can see the braiding going through the sheath. It feels hefty. And the only thing that people had a little gripe about is that in the center, there's like this magnetic core, or some random piece of plastic. Patented magnetic flux tube in the center. Now, who the hell knows what that really does? I'm just gonna kind of clip that off so I can, wrap around the wires. But look at that, high purity copper conductors, not aluminum. It's heavy, it's heavy wire, it's definitely copper. As you can see, we have the amplifiers sitting here. Do you notice anything strange? Do you notice anything missing? 2 of those guys are actually missing. I'm trading with Naveed over at Crescendo. I traded 2 amps for 1 amp, and this is what it is. We'll get into this in just a little bit. My freaking license plate cover. Oh my God, swagging out for 29 years old. Here's the C3002D, the brand new mids and highs amplifier that I'm gonna have for Inside Frankenstein. We had 3 symphonies, now we're going for a concerto. Check it out, concerto, fuck yeah. All right, let's put this away and show you my brand new hat. Hell yeah, I freaking lost my last Crescendo hat, so now we got a nice freshie right here with our license plate cover with the Flexo Vanity. That'll look great for the new build. So overall, guys, I'm just feeling really grateful, really happy. Look at this, PSI Recones, son of a H. There's 4 in each box, 8 Recones ready to go inside Frankenstein. That's gonna be a whole thing in itself, guys, so stay tuned. Talk about a Basshead bathroom, huh? What the hell is going on in here? Oh my God. I just made one of these dollies for a Lazy Susan that we can glue a little evenly around it. So that'll spin like that as we do our recones. It was like 10 bucks with a piece of MDF down at the bottom. Something simple, you know what I'm saying? And another thing to stay looking forward to here is our towers. We're gonna be changing up a whole bunch of stuff with that, and it's sitting right down here. This is gonna be the key to the puzzle right here. Rings. Our current holes weren't the right size, just were a little bit off. I've gotten so many comments from people making fun of my choice of cheap speakers. When we first built those towers in our room upstairs, it was like a couple years ago, but we bought like the best speakers we could buy on Parts Express for the cheapest amount of money. And to this day, a lot of the drivers that we chose are ranted and raved about, and they're pretty famous, like the TCs, the Peerless Indias, and I think I had some B and C, but I'm not 100% sure. Like those tweeters, they were only $1, and I bought like 12 of them, and they caught on. Like so many people started buying them, and the reviews are like 5 stars, and they were $1. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. We're gonna be resuming everything on Frankenstein when the weather gets a little bit nicer. We've had like maybe 3 or 4 days of rain, so I wanna get that out of the way so we can have the hatch open with the camera angles pointing inside. So as of now, we just got the freaking wires dangling underneath, both positives and negatives. Everything's safe though. The battery's off from underneath the hood and all that. It's like getting rid of your memories almost. Look at it, it's freaking empty, big empty shell with a beef jerky express down there. I guess it's not all sad because we're gonna build it stronger, way stronger. Like this right here is gonna probably be a little bit more straightened out so we can get a tiny bit more room to the B pillar. It's been a slow process, and a lot of that has been my own fault because I'm too ambitious. I just need to accept the fact that, you know, not everybody wants to see what I want to see, and because I really want to do like this extravagant special effects, all these awesome things, but you know, not a lot of people really care about that. I guess that's my own thing, and I need to get over that. Sometimes a good old kick in the pants is all somebody needs. Oh my God, that was disgusting. Here's the batteries. Oh no, they're all dusty, disgusting. We just ripped these AGMs out of here, and funny story about these AGMs, I measured the voltage across each and every one of them after, let's say, 3 days of being yanked out, completely separated, and wouldn't you know it, each and every one of them was matching to the 100th of a volt. That's pretty uncommon to have every single battery matching exactly after it's been unplugged. In fact, hold on, let's see if it's still like that right now. So no promises that it's still gonna be like that. It was several days ago that happened, but let's just try it for shits and giggles. First battery is reading in at 13.01. Second battery is reading at 13.01. Oh boy, here we go. 13.01. Is it gonna do every single one again? 13.01. Here we go, guys. I think it's gonna do the same exact thing that it did last time. That is impressive. That's another one. Oh boy, another one. Here's number 7. 13.01. Here's number 8. All 8 batteries. 13.01 volts. Now, that's the reason why that's so uncommon is because really there's cells in these batteries, and to think that every single one of those cells is reading out identically is pretty cool. Now, obviously there's no load on these batteries, so that will probably change once that is applied, but still, I mean, that's still pretty cool. So overall, it's been a pretty decent birthday, and I still got more stuff to look forward to a little bit later. But I gotta tell you guys one thing that's been really stressing my mind. I've been sending messages out left and right to doctors and like people who could maybe help with the situation. I've had a lot of comments come my way, and I know you guys probably already, it's the elephant in the room right now. You know what's going on. Look at this thing. I got this crazy bump on my forehead. It's humongous, and it casts shadows. It went on certain angles. Like, look at this. If I turn my head certain ways, you get this huge, like, look at that. Oh no, it's worse. So that's, oh my God, like that right there is giving me a little bit of self-conscious BS, you know, behind the scenes. Like, oh, like when I'm looking at myself in the camera lens over here, I'm like, oh man, let's turn this way. I don't want that shit showing, but I can't help it, guys. Ever since I like, I don't know, I did this misty flip off of a playground and nailed my head many years ago, and ever since then there was this little lump that just gradually got bigger and bigger and bigger, and evidently head trauma can cause like osteomas or lipomas. They're little bumps underneath the skin that can grow into the bone or on top of it, and mine is superficial, so it's right on top of it. It moves around, and it's a pain in the ass to look at, to edit, to watch myself while I'm editing. So if you were wondering what this stupid bump is, it's from an injury many years ago, but it's not an injury now. It's perfectly fine. It doesn't hurt. It's cosmetic, and in order to get it removed, it would cost thousands. Like I got quoted over $1,500, and that was for one that may not be like this, because they need to separate tissue and do this little like elliptical incision inside on it to make sure it like gets the whole lump out. So there's some like extracting process involved with that. So it's been an area of frustration for me. So if you noticed it, no big deal. I'm okay. It's just a bump on my forehead. I'm gonna try to get it sorted out, but I don't have, you know, insurance for that kind of cosmetic stuff, so I'm not gonna worry about it as of right now, but I will get it taken care of down the road, because it is disgusting. It's disgusting. But I'm gonna stop rambling. We got plenty more stuff to keep us happy in the meantime, like all this nice crescendo gear and our friggin' surprise central Monster 3300, whatever it's, I'm so happy about this, guys. So thanks for watching the videos. This is just a quick little birthday update. You know, nothing special for those who really, you know, wanted to watch. And if you're looking at my Christmas decorations in pure judgment, feel free. I judge myself every day that it's still up there. All right, guys. Until the next video, this is EXO signing out. Thanks for joining this quick update. I will talk to you in the next one.